Good morning. Padmavati Junior College online classes. My name is E.M. Naidu, Junior College Principal and Mathematics Jail. Today I discuss the topic complex numbers 2a. Now the definition: modulus, amplitude for or polar for. Let z equal to x plus psi y is a complex number. Any real number theta satisfying the equations cos theta equal to x by r and sin theta equal to y by r is called amplitude of z or argument of z, where r equal to square root of x square plus y square. The unique argument theta of z satisfying minus pi less than theta less than equal to pi, theta lies in minus pi to pi, is called the principal argument of z and is denoted by arg z. The polar form of complex number z equal to x plus psi y is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Where r equal to square root of x square plus y square and minus pi is less than theta less than equal to pi. Now start. Solve problems, examples. Find the modulus amplitude formula of 1 plus psi. Find the modulus amplitude for of the complex number numbers. The one is 1 plus I root 3. Second one is minus root 3 plus psi. Third one is minus 1 minus I root 3. Fourth one is 1 minus I. Solution. The first one. Let 1 plus I root 3 equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So let us take z, the given complex number, r into cos theta plus I sin theta, where r equal to square root of x square plus y square. So that is, here x equal to 1 and y equal to root 3. X equal to 1, y equal to root 3. So because x is x plus I y is a complex number. Square root of 1 square 1, root 3 square 3, that equal to root 4, that equal to 2. So that is the r. Now cos theta. Cos theta equal to x by r 1 by 2. Sin theta equal to y by r, that equal to, what is the value by root 3 by 2. So cos theta positive, sin theta positive. These two, cos positive, sin positive. Now theta is belongs to Q1, coordinate 1, first coordinate. So theta equal to the principal argument, theta equal to, then theta equal to cos 60, cos 60 equal to 1 by 2, sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Since cos 60 equal to 1 by 2 and sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, the polar part, the modulus amplitude part is 1 plus I root 3 equal to, what is the R value? R equal to 2 to cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. This is the first example. Now second one is let minus root 3 plus I equal to x plus I y, that equal to R into cos theta plus I sin theta, where R equal to square root of x square plus y square, that is root 3 square plus 1 square minus root 3 square, that equal to root 2, 3 plus 1, that equal to root 4 equal to 2, again R equal to 2. Now cos theta, x by R, that is minus root 3 by 2, sin theta, y by R, that is, what is the value of y? 1 by 2. It is negative to positive. So cos negative, sin positive, theta belongs to Q2. So then theta equal to, so Q2 value 5 minus, let's take 5 minus cos 30, 5 by 6, that equal to 5 pi by 6. So which is lies only, the 5 pi by 6 is lies in minus pi to pi, the interval minus pi to pi. So therefore the polar form is, or the modulus amplitude form is, the modulus amplitude form, is minus root 3 plus I is equal to 2 into cos 5 pi by 6 plus I sin 5 pi by 6. Next, third one. Next problem, third one. Let minus 1 minus I root 3 equal to x plus I y, that equal to R into cos theta plus I sin theta, x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus root 3, and R equal to square root of x square plus y square, so that equals square root of 1 plus 3, that is root 4 equal to 2. Similarly, cos theta equal to x by r. So that is minus 1 by 2, which is negative. Sin theta equal to y by r. That is minus root 3 by 2, which is negative. So these two, cos negative, sin negative, the theta is belongs to Q3. So then theta equal to minus 5 plus 5 by 6 cos 5 by 3 cos 60 1 by that equal, which is minus 2 pi minus 3 pi plus pi by 3, that is minus 2 pi by 3, which is belongs to minus pi to pi. The only one minus 2 pi by 3 in lies between minus pi to pi. So which is the principal argument. Therefore the polar form and modulus form, the modulus amplitude form and amplitude form is minus 1 minus pi root 3 equal to 2 into cos minus 2 pi by 3 plus I sin minus 2 pi by 3. Okay, the fourth one is HW homework. Three minus pi by, then so that z cube minus 10z square plus 58z minus 136 equal to 0. Solution. Z equal to 3 minus pi by into z square. 3 minus pi by whole square 9 a square minus 2ab 30i plus b square 25i square, that equal to 9 minus 30i minus 25. Since I square equal to minus 1, so that equal to 9 minus 25 minus 16 minus 30i. Now z cube equal to z square into z, that equal, what is the value of z square? Minus 16 minus 30i. What is the value of 3? Z 3 minus 5i. Now these two multiply, 48 plus 80i minus 90i plus 150i square. Once again, 48 plus 88 minus 98, 150i square. Minus 48 minus 10i minus 150, that equal to minus 198 minus 10i. Since I square equal to minus 1, now z cube minus 10z square plus 58z minus 136 equal z cube. What is the value of z cube? Minus 198 minus 10i minus 10 z. What is the value of z square? Minus 16 minus 30i plus 58 to z. What is the value of z? 3 minus 5i minus 136. Now this minus 198 minus 10i plus 160 plus 300i plus 174 minus 90. I minus 136. So that equal now 174, 160. These two, 203, 334 minus 334. These two minus these two, 300i plus 300i. Now these two cancel, that equals 0. Therefore, z cube minus 10z square plus 58z minus 136 equals 0. Okay. Similarly, homework problem. HW. If z equal to 2 minus I root 7, then show that 3z square minus 4z 3z cube minus 4z square plus z plus 20 equal to 0. Okay. What is the least positive integer? Next problem. Find the least positive integer. N satisfying 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n is equal to 1. Solution. 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n equal to 1. Now, rationalizing 1 plus I by 1 plus I to 1 minus I whole power n equal to 1. That implies 1 plus I, 1 square plus I square plus 2I by 1 minus I square equal to 1. Now that implies whole power n. 1 minus 1 plus 2I by 1 plus 1 equal to 1. That implies these two cancel. 2I by 2 whole power n equal to 1. These two cancel. That implies I power n equal to 1. So the equation satisfying the positive integers n equal to 4, 8, 12 and so on are satisfying the above equation. Therefore, what is the least positive integer? N. Therefore, the least positive integer is n equal to 4. Okay. Hence, the topic is over.